Hello coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to create a simple 2D collectible with a rotate effect in Unity. This is commonly used for collectibles like coins, gems, stars and other pickable objects in games. First we are going to create the collectible sprite and add 2D colliders. Those things first. Click create 2D sprites. I'm going directly to the circle. That's it. Here the circle has created. I have already downloaded a sprite for coin. I'm going to drag and drop this. This is a coin. I'm going to rotate it, and the player hits, it has to destroy, and we will update the score and those things we are going to do in the UI toolkits. That will be a big different topic. I will just create a collectible in this video. Right click, create, name it as collectible. Of a collectible. Okay. Here we need first is the rotating speed, how much speed we need to rotate the coin, so we need to declare that rotate speed. Transform.Rotate. I want to rotate like in the Y angle. I don't want to rotate in the Z. Z will be like rotating like this. I don't want this. I want to rotate the Y, so it will look cool. So we are going to add rotate speed into time dot delta time, come on, 0. Yep, the rotation is done, and we are going to put the collectibles. Just we need to type on trigger enter. It will create everything. Oh, PS monitor. In here we need to add collider circle and make it as trigger, and we need to check we need on rigid body 2D, and we have a T2 0. Okay, let's hit play and see. I already have the player tag as player, so I need to assign the player tag again. It is not collider. Oops, sorry. C value added. Oops, I forgot. I created the script. I forgot to add the script. I was searching on why it is not Okay, guys can see the coin is rotating and player collide. Yeah, done. The coin is destroyed. This is a simple colliding, simple collectible object with rotation. Thank you for watching.